Let's start with a brief introduction about the study of movement. The movement can be studied by two different points of view, kinematics and dynamics. When we talk about kinematics, we are going to evaluate how the joint angles change in the time during the movement. When we take in consideration the kinetics, we are going to assess the force exchange between the subject and the ground during the contact phases of the movement. During this webinar, we are focusing on the dynamics in order to introduce you the new BTS P-6000 system, the most innovative force platform on the market for the dynamic evaluation of the movement. BTS P-6000 has not to be thought as a single platform, like you are used to think. But BTS P-6000 was born to be a modular sensory floor that through its surface is able to measure the ground reaction forces generated by a subject standing on or moving across it, allowing a complete analysis of the static or dynamic postural condition. Unlike the normal force plates that you surely know, the BTS P-6000 has been developed changing the position of the connecting cable from the lateral side to the under part of the platform, keeping all four lateral sides completely free. In this way, the modules can be placed perfectly one adjacent to the others, along all four sides at the same time, without space among them, so that finally it's possible to create a real sensorized floor, any size large. The subject can move freely, so that any contact to the floor is used for the dynamic analysis of movement. This particular architecture allows to measure the components of the ground reaction force in all the available length of the sensorized surface without any discontinuity. All the foot contacts across two adjacent modules that produce two different force contributions can be merged together in order to have only one global force resultant. BTS P-6000 is a highly reliable, accurate and versatile system, and it is able to replace all the other traditional analog platforms because it's completely digital. Each module is able to process the data directly on board without using an external analog digital device, and it's equipped with 12 sensors that break the force into its different components. The connection among the single modules that form the sensorized surface is made by Ethernet LAN cables that ensure a higher accuracy of the data respect to the normal analog platforms.